we will now show you how to replace the fridge door seal on a Samsung fridge or freezer. So first of all, you need to remove the current seal. So start by the top corner, give it just a little bit of force, and you'll see it just come out of a channel. Once you get that corner out, the rest of it will just pop straight out quite easily. Once you've got the old seal off, you will grab the seal that we've sent you, which will look like this. And on the back of it, there is a dart, and that dart will clip into that channel. So just line it up, use your thumb, and just give it a bit of force, and it will slowly press straight into that channel. It's very, very easy to do yourself. Once you've clipped the seal in all the way around, close the door, and that should pretty much be it. If you find that you have any gaps once the door is closed, just use a hairdryer just to warm up the door seal. Close the door and let it sit until it cools down. We do have some other videos showing how to fix gaps and small little issues that you might have, but it's pretty much just pulling away the old seal in the corner and then pressing the new seal back in. It's very easy.